Hey friends, hope you're doing good. Okay, let's talk about Hennessy Capital. The merger is finally about to happen. I have made extensive videos on this company and what's gonna happen, which is Canoo is merging with Hennessy Capital. Hennessy Capital is the blank check company that is merging with Canoo, and that's happening December 21st, that Monday. And finally, we're seeing movement in Hennessy Capital. So this week, what is it gonna look like? So Friday, after hours, Hennessy Capital shot up $3. So that's a big telltale sign that this coming Monday, we're gonna see some significant movement up in Hennessy Capital. Now this week in the stock market, I think this is gonna be a huge week for us because we're gonna be talking about stimulus check. Probably some kind of stimulus is gonna pass, some form of stimulus, and that's gonna make the markets jump. So this week with Hennessy Capital, my position in it, I'm gonna play it a little different. I'm gonna see what happens Monday. Like I said, I think Monday we're gonna have a huge shoot up. If it doesn't hit $20 to $25 Monday, I wouldn't be surprised if it was at least in the middle of the week, it would at least hit. But hear me, this is what I'm doing. I may try to short this stock a little bit this coming week. I may sell some shares if we see some really high numbers, things that I don't see it staying at. Like if it hits like a $30, $35 range, I really don't see it staying at that for long. I think we'll have some major pullback. So at that price, I personally might sell out and then wait for a huge dramatic pullback around $20, the high teens. So that's what I'm gonna be watching for this coming week with this company. And of course, closer to the merger, this thing's really gonna shoot up. But this is how I'm playing it. I may do that, I may not. I'm gonna see how it plays out. I'm gonna see how it's responding to the market this week, how it's responding to getting closer to the merger, and the volume level of what it's doing. But Monday, if the stock market opens with just crazy numbers, we hit like another 3,000 in the Dow, then yeah, I may sell out because I know then the rest of the week is going to be a big sell-off week. I know Hennessy Capital is going to be in that. But the $11 to $12 range, getting in there at that price point, I don't know that we're going to see those again. I think those may be gone. We may not see those anymore. So what I'm thinking is that, this week we'll have to see. But I really think the 16 to 17, somewhere in the high, middle teens, that's gonna be your new entry point with Hennessy Capital until the merger. And then once the merger happens, we'll see how this is responding. But the thing that I know is a lot of people like Canoo. They really like Canoo. You can look up tons of Canoo videos. I've made about 3 or 4 of them. And people really like this company. There's really no negative things about it. It's a very unique company, and I'm not gonna go into it because if you're watching this, then you probably already know everything about the company. There's really nothing new to talk about. It's just merging, that's what we know. So there's nothing fancy about this video. I'm just letting people know what I do, people that subscribe to my channel, and I just want to make people aware that the merger is coming. So if you are going to be doing what I'm doing with, kind of doing some short trading, maybe see what happens with that. Be very careful because I like I said, I think these low numbers like these 10s, 11s, and 12s, 13s, I don't know that we'll see them again. I think they may be gone. And we've moved up into the next level of almost coming to a merger, which is gonna be the high teens, maybe 20s, who knows. We know how people respond to blank check companies going into a merger with another company. Usually the stock goes crazy and it's usually around like a $30 to $40 range. And of course there'll be huge pullback from that. So that's kind of what I'm saying here. I might have an opportunity to make a nice little chunk of change and then, get out and then go back in and then kind of let it sit there and see what happens with it. But guys, that's it. Comment, let me know what you're doing about this, and let me know if this is something that you're going long term with, or you think, well, I may just get out of this and then we'll watch what happens. But friends, be positive, be you. I'll talk to you later. God bless. Bye.